year of 1924, in a far distant place up so high, two men set off to find a place they believed they could both touch the sky. Wearing old tweed jackets and hobnail boots, to the top of the world so tall, be the first men to climb up Everest was the greatest prize of them all. Prize of them all. They walked into history on that day in June, from a wasteland so barren and cold. In the back of their minds, perhaps they were thinking, from today we will never grow old. Up the north ridge they climbed over steps 1 and 2, no higher can man ever get. To look south to Nepal and the Khumbu ice fall, or look north to the plains of Tibet. The plains of Tibet. The names of these men who died in the clouds were George Mallory and Andrew Irvine. They lived for the thrills of the mountains and hills, and were masters of rock and of climb. Both sons of the empire and bright shining lights, they were both full of courage and dare. And when he was asked why he'd do such a thing, Mallory answered, because it is there. Because it is there. What happened up there isn't known to this day. Did they make it before they both fell? Did Mallory and Irvine ever stand on the top? You can guess, but you never can tell. The ghosts of these two challenge men to this day to forsake all they have just to try. To be one of the few who can feel that it's true. If your luck isn't in, you will die. You know you might die. If you have to ask why, then you won't understand. Like a drug, it is hard to ignore. From Fisher and Hall to Boardman and Tasker, each one of these men did explore the limits of minds of strength superhuman. No boundaries these men couldn't break. They offered the ultimate gift of them all, and the mountain, the life she did take. The life she did take.